It's me, TH3 Ambi. Hi, it's me, Amy Leesha. Welcome back to another video where I show you a palette that you really need to have, especially if you have blue eyes. If you don't have blue eyes, you might need it. I can't say though. Definitely the best Christmas present I bought myself in November. I just did this look with it and I feel pretty. If you too want to look like this, keep watching. My friend gave me a gift card to Ulta and I decided that I needed to just buy another palette. Palettes are my second favorite makeup thing. I love fresh looking flawless skin. Not that I have that right now. So foundation is my favorite. I have been looking at this palette since the holiday season kicked in right after Halloween. It's kind of like one holiday after another. There is a fraction of the year where there isn't a holiday happening and it's strange to me, but I kind of love it. And that's probably why they do it. So I did get this Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette by Too Faced. It looked like everything I have wanted and needed in a palette. I know I say that probably about most palettes, but this one reminds me of Christmas and I really love Christmas. Not that Australia really has gingerbread for Christmas because it's hot and stuff, but Christmas is a good time. Christmas in Australia is summer and I love summer. It's not going to be summer here, but I'll take Christmas. I absolutely love oranges and warm tones on my eyes because my eyes are blue and it really brings out blue eyes and makes them pop. So when I see a palette that is extra spicy gingerbread, I think very orange, very warm, and you know what? It is. It's very orange and warm. It has cute little gingerbread men on the inside in the mirror. But first, you know I'm not going to do my eyes. Let's do my face. Let's prime. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Primer because that's my new favorite. Now for some foundation. I think I'm going to use the It Cosmetics CC cream. Technically not a foundation, but basically does the same thing. I love the way it smooths on my face. I've been wearing it less since my skin has been bad. I think it's good for a more natural, glowy look. And because my skin has been so dry, I haven't been using it. I want to feel fresh again, so... The coverage of this is really good for a CC cream. I've used one pump and it's completely covered my face. Now, I did use shade light. It is pretty dark for a light shade. I think it matches okay. Face is done. Let's conceal. I'm gonna use the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in shade Snow. I just want to use a little bit because I don't want my face to be really caked today. I want to go for more of a natural finish. Cake's good, but cake all the time is not a good thing. So I'm not going for cake all the time. I don't know if you can see, but that foundation hasn't completely covered all my blemishes that I currently have going on. I'm okay with that because this is what I currently look like. Also, not cake day. All right, I'm gonna contour my nose with my Fenty Matchstick in Amber because we love a good nose contour. It's currently around 11 o'clock in the morning and I am up and awake. For the last week and a bit, I have not been up before midday. Granted, I have been quite sick for quite a while, been really rough, but today I felt so much better. I got up at like 7:30 this morning and I had breakfast at breakfast time. It's been a while since I've eaten before afternoon time. I'm gonna use my Hourglass translucent setting powder. Do a little light dusting of powder. I really don't want to overdo it. Let's bronze. I'm gonna go in with the Jouer bronze duo with the weird hinge that I can never control or open. Ugh. With this one, let's start with the light shade, then further with the darker shade. I feel like I've had so much caffeine today, I can't even speak properly. I'm speaking so fast, but it's the best. I love caffeine. Woo! Go in with a smaller contour brush to find my cheekbones and my jawline just a little bit more. So I'm bronzed and I've tried to go a little less heavy-handed with the bronzing today. I'm trying to just not go overboard. Super hard IMO. Also, the more bronzing that I do on my face, the more it draws out my skin situation that I have going on. Let's go in with some... what is this? This is blush. Let's use it. This is the Ofra Madison Miller blush. All you need is love. Haha, well done. I did take it on my nose a little bit just so I can feel sun-kissed. I'm gonna go in with my Ofra highlighter in Star Island. I put a little bit too much highlight on my nose. Can you see that? Because I use my finger. I mean, I could get a smaller brush, but too lazy. So I have a lot on my nose. I'm gonna quickly do my brows. It's gonna take me 5 hours. So I'm just gonna fast forward to after the brows. Brows are done, woo! But in all seriousness, that took me 5 minutes, maybe 6. I feel like I've just gained 4 hours of my life back. This is a good time. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer. I'm gonna use my fingers because that I find is the best way to apply it without dirtying a brush. Should I swatch all of these? I hate swatching. There are so many shades in here. I guess I can do it. Do you want swatches of these? You can't tell me. This is gonna really suck if you don't want these swatches and I do these swatches, but we're just gonna do it anyway. That's vanilla wafer, cookie cutter, soft and sweet for the gram. In a pinch, drizzle it, lick the spoon, spicy mommy, extra spicy, half baked, butterscotch, cookie call, plenty of dough, candy queen, gingerbread glam, hot tamale, cinnamon, and midnight snack. I don't know why I do this to myself. There are actually some really nice shades and I think you could wear so many different looks with this palette. A lot of lighter ones to make it really subtle. And then you got some deeper ones, some more intense ones to spice it up. Great name choice with the extra spicy palette. Well done, Too Faced. I want to start with For the Gram just to get something on my eye. The matte's pretty powdery, but it is really smooth to go on. And some of those shimmers are a little bit chalky and powdery, which I feel like is pretty standard in a moderate to mid-range palette. Butterscotch looks pretty nice. I do want to take that up a little bit. I always say I love whatever I just put on my eyes, but the combination of those two looks really good. I did put butterscotch under my eyes as well, but not the other one. Always gets to this point, I get really hungry. I just want to eat. It's not time. It's not time to eat. I'm hungry 24/7. I think I want to do the halo eye. I want to go in with extra spicy because would it be right to use this palette for the first time without using extra spicy? Probably. It is a gingerbread palette. I wonder if it smells nice. Doesn't smell like gingerbread, but does smell sweet. Wish it did smell like gingerbread though. That would just really make it all that much better. What a spicy color. Talk about making blue eyes pop. I love it. I love this a lot. I just want to cut this center part just to really brighten that up. I'm going to use the eye primer to do that. This time I'm using a brush. Except my brush that I need is not here. Just going to cut that crease real good. I'm just gonna go straight over the center first, and I wanna do that with Lick the Spoon. I wanna take Spicy Mommy on either side of that. I wanna go into Cookie Call, close to the lash line just to deepen it a little. I do have this really fun liner. It is by NYX. It's Love Dust Disco. It's a metallic liquid liner and this is the silver one. And I want to line just the top to see if I can make this fun. Could very well ruin this. Okay, this is really hard. Can you see that? It's a bit of a surprise. Popped in there just to jazz this up. I'm gonna quickly do liner, mascara, and lashes. I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies because I didn't want something that was gonna be too big to lose all the detail with the eyes. I love the Ardell lashes. Their band is so thin and they're so easy to apply. If you don't know how to apply lashes and you're looking to try, lashes are so much easier using those ones. Now, what lip you ask? Great question. I don't know. I do want to really eat something. I'm so hungry. Do you guys snack all the time? I don't want to eat proper meals. I just want to snack. Fair enough if you want to snack on healthy food, but no one wants that. I want to put Sao Paulo on my lips. It's a little bit lighter than this on mute. On mute might be better for the look. That'll be nice. That'll also be nice. Let's go with Sao Paulo by Ofra. Kind of already started applying both. I'm gonna go in with a liner. This is rare. I really want to make my lips visible. Like, I've got lips, but I want people to see them. This is just a NYX beige liner that I'm using. This is good. I've got this all over the desk in my pants. Ugh. I love this palette. If you have blue eyes, you need this. It is limited edition, I believe, but they do bring it out like every holiday season. Would recommend this. I love these colors. I love these shades. I love this look. My eyes look so blue. I want to eat my entire apartment. I'm gonna go eat something. Go follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. Thanks so much for hanging out. If you like this video, give me a like. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I'm gonna go. Bye.